What if I told you there's a simple vegetable that can switch on your body's natural cancer-fighting defenses? And not just any veggie, this one is sitting in almost every grocery store. Stick around because the last part I'll share about broccoli sprouts will absolutely blow your mind. Clean photo-real kitchen worktop with jar of fresh broccoli sprouts, soft window light, stationary composition. Cancer doesn't just happen overnight. It's triggered by damaged DNA, inflammation, and toxins that slip through our system. But here's the shocking part. Your body actually has built-in defense systems designed to fight back, if you fuel them right. Enter broccoli and its baby version, broccoli sprouts. They're packed with a rare compound called sulforaphane, and science shows this tiny molecule flips on your body's cancer shield like a light switch. Elegant white backdrop with glowing shield icon illuminating from within and subtle particle glow. Now, don't worry, I won't bore you with textbook jargon. Here's how sulforaphane works in plain English. It detoxes your body by sweeping out toxins before they turn into cancer troublemakers. It protects your DNA, almost like a repair crew fixing cracks before they become disasters. It tells bad, damaged cells, your time's up, and pushes them into self-destruct mode. And it cools down dangerous chronic inflammation, which is like gasoline on a cancer fire. Think of sulforaphane as your body's natural security guard. It patrols, protects, and removes threats before they grow out of control. And here's the best part. You don't need a mountain of broccoli to get these benefits. I'll show you in a minute how just a handful of broccoli sprouts can do the work of an entire grocery bag. Proof that it works. This isn't hype. It's backed by solid research. A Johns Hopkins study found broccoli sprouts could block carcinogens in animals exposed to toxins. In a human trial in China, people who drank broccoli sprout tea flushed out more air pollutants from their body compared to those who didn't. Lab studies show sulforaphane slows the growth of cancers like breast, prostate, lung, and colon. And here's the kicker. Sulforaphane targets cancer cells while leaving healthy cells alone. That's something chemotherapy still struggles with. So which is better, mature broccoli or sprouts? Both are great, but sprouts are the real superhero. Why? Because they contain up to 100 times more sulforaphane potential than adult broccoli. That means eating just a small handful of sprouts gives you the same punch as eating an entire pound of broccoli. But here's the trick. Eat them raw or lightly steamed. Overcooking destroys the enzyme that makes sulforaphane. In just a second, I'll give you an easy way to add sprouts to your daily meals without even noticing. So how do you use them? Toss broccoli sprouts on sandwiches, salads, or smoothies. Even a tablespoon a day can be powerful.
After adding broccoli sprouts to my lunch every day, I feel lighter and healthier. And knowing I'm protecting myself against cancer gives me peace of mind.
So here's the takeaway. Broccoli and broccoli sprouts aren't just vegetables. They're natural cancer fighters backed by science. By adding them to your diet, you're giving your body the tools to protect itself. If you found this eye-opening, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, because I've got more powerful food secrets coming your way. And if you want to see how other foods like watermelon fight cancer too, watch the video I've linked right to this video.